Yes, yes. We have two type of packages available. First one is monthly package and second one is complete monetization package. So our monthly package cost is only 200 US dollar. And also we have another package that's called monetization complete package. And in this package, we will monetize your channel completely in 2 months. And our monetization package cost is only 350 US dollar. Complete monetization package. So you can choose any package.
Okay. Okay.
Hello,
I will also.
ma'am.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for joining with us. How are you?
Fine. Sorry for the back and forth. It's a busy day. I'm
Oh,
not a full-time content creator. I have a day job. So,
okay, okay. It's okay. So, where are you from, ma'am?
sorry,
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria,
Nigeria. We are from Bangladesh. Do you know about
Lagos.
Bangladesh?
Sorry.
We are from Bangladesh.
I've had colleagues from Bangladesh in the
Oh,
past.
that's very well. Okay, so let me introduce about ourselves and then we're gonna talk about our project. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, myself Rifat Shorkar, and in here another person. His name is Ishtiaq Ahmed. Actually, he's reach out to you, and we are teammate. We are working together in digital marketing
Okay.
sector, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You have a great YouTube channel, and you want to get more views, get more traffic, get more visitors in your channel. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so for your YouTube channel, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO, that means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to at first research your niche, your channel's category, your video's topic. That means you made gaming video, cooking video, real estate video, or anything. We have to find
Yeah.
out your video's topic, and then we have to research your niche related valuable and high volume keyword. That's mean which keyword your audience, your targeted audience search on YouTube to watching your niche related videos. That means if you made gaming video, then your audience may search on YouTube based gaming in UK or Nigeria. That is your targeted keyword. So we have to find out this type of many high volume keyword, and then when we successfully input and include this type of keyword, your video's backend section like title, description, and in the text section, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche and keyword, then your videos will show YouTube and Google top search result, and in this way you can get your targeted result, view, subscribe, watch time, and in this way you can monetize your channel. So this is the process, and actually we have another process that's called organic promotion, and in this way we have to share your videos to by social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr. We can share our videos by using social media. And also we have another method that's called Google Ads. That's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the paid campaign. But right now we will recommend you can choose the SEO work because it's organic and very effective and powerful. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our YouTube channel, etc.?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna share my screen. I think you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. If you search on YouTube by Freelancing School BD, then you will find out my channel. It's our agency channel. In here, a lot of subscriber and videos is available, and I am a trainer on digital marketing sector, and in here you can see a lot of classes available about digital marketing. It's about graphics design, it's about graphics design. And if you scroll down, then you can see a lot of classes in here available about digital marketing. You can see, and after finish our meeting, my boy will send you all of the link and information, then you can check it out by your own. And if you click on playlist section, then you can see in here a lot of clients meeting available, because we already done a lot of project with over world client like US, UK, Canada, Nigeria, many type of countries. So my boy will send you all of the link and information, you can check it out. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Okay, first of all, I'm not providing my consent for this video to be uploaded on your channel, right? So that's the first thing. Please don't upload this video on your channel. I'm not providing consent for that. Second of all, I look forward to receiving all the links and everything.
Okay. So can we discuss our budget cost?
Yes, you can discuss like the various packages you have.
Yes. We have two type of packages available. First one is monthly package and second one is complete monetization package. So our monthly package cost is we have to complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion your 30 videos. Complete SEO optimization including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization in a month, and our monthly package cost is only 200 US dollar. And also we have another package that's called monetization complete package, and in this package we will monetize your channel completely in 2 months, and our monetization package cost is only 350 US dollar, complete monetization package. So you can choose any package.
Okay. I will also be expecting the more information on the different packages you have.
Okay. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you all of the package information and what we will do for you. Anything, then you can take a look and choose any package. Okay. And my
Okay.
boy will get in touch with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.